Hi folks, it's Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of Projects Done For You, which launched on the 23rd of April at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this great new release from one of my own academy students, Darren Brown, and what it essentially does. It does two things really. Firstly, it shows you how to overcome the problem of tired bonuses. Now, we all give out bonuses when we do our affiliate promotions, but we can get into the habit, including myself, I have to say, at using the same bonuses over again. We just keep rehashing them and, redoing them. And so over a period of time, everyone who's on your list will have seen all your bonuses, and they're less tempted to buy products because they're getting the same stuff all the time. So they'll go and look for other people that are offering more exciting giveaways. The other thing is lead magnets. Again, if you're using the same lead magnets over and over again, chances are you might be using lead magnets that other people are using, or else, again, your audience has seen the sort of stuff you're giving away, and maybe it's all gone a bit stale. So you always need a constant supply of new bonuses. So in Projects Done For You, Darren is going to show you exactly how you can easily build custom bonuses of your own that guaranteed nobody else will have, and also lead magnets in the same way, that will enable you to build a great email list. There's two great things about this. Firstly, the price. It's less than $10. The front end is only $9. And the other great thing is that you've got included in the front end both a gold and a silver method, which means that if you've got a little bit of money to spend and you want to fast track this, then Darren is going to show you a way where you can get everything set up super fast. But if you're on a budget, it's no problem, because he's also going to show you in the silver method how you can do everything yourself fairly easily by following the step-by-step video instructions. So whether you've got a little bit of disposable budget to fast track this, or if you want to do everything yourself, you really do only need the front end for $9 to be able to do everything. But as I said, there is the option to fast track it. So if that sounds like it's of interest and it is a great value product, then listen on to this review. I'll also go through the bonuses that I've put together. If you pick up Projects Done For You from the link underneath, you can get them by clicking on any of these green buttons here anytime before the countdown timer reaches 0, at which point they will expire. And of course, I don't want that to happen because they are custom bonuses, which means they're exclusive to me. Let's have a look at the sales page. It's as non-hype as you can get, folks. The first thing that's thrown at you is the buy button. It's time to level up. 22 plus methods with the gold option and the silver option. Grab your copy of Projects Done For You. So no sales video. It couldn't be less unhypey. Projects Done For You, you've never seen before. Exclusive tutorial training on how to build custom bonuses, lead magnets, your email list, exclusive unique review bonuses with calls to action, making you money while you sleep at night. Okay, so we'll also have a look inside the members area, and we'll also have a look at the funnel. And as I said, the front end is just $9. Okay, so first, my bonuses. So when you click on the link underneath, you'll come through to this page here. This video that I'm making now will be in here. What is Projects Done For You all about? It gives you 22 plus methods that still work today, tutorials showing you how to create custom content and bonuses, keeping the price down low so it's affordable to everyone. As I said, only $9. Included is an optional fast track method. That's the gold method that you can use in minutes, be set up in minutes, helping you build your list with content with your buyers and subscribers in mind, and creating a foundation for your business for long-term results. So what am I going to throw in? Well, firstly, I'm going to throw in 6 super solo ads. What is a super solo ad? A super solo ad is an email ad that you can send to over 30,000 members in my 25 sites in the Make Money Online niche in my Elite Tigers group. All you need to do is to send us the subject line for the email, the text, and the URL, the link that you want people to land on, and we'll do the rest. They'll be sent out 6 times, or you can send a different one each time. It's entirely up to you. Next, I'm going to throw in this course about how to make money using paid advertising methods. A very good course from Jamie Lee Saunders. If you've not done paid advertising before, or you've tried and failed, then this will avoid all the common mistakes. Aerial Assassin will show you, on the other hand, how you can leverage completely free traffic to make commissions. That's a great course from Bill Ang. Affiliate Marketing Magic is how it's from me, one of my own courses showing you how you can add some magic to your affiliate marketing campaigns. Cleopatra is a software, a traffic software that you can use to identify buyers, avoid time wasters. Destiny, don't worry about the date. The thing you need to know about this course is that it shows you how to make recurring monthly income each and every month. Elevate is another done-for-you automation app. Essential Emails is my flagship email marketing course. Teach you everything you need to know about email marketing. Golden Stash is going to show you a method that will enable you to turn $10 into $250 over and over. And Goldmine Seeker is a complete domain flipping software from Jamie Lewis. And you would normally get vendor bonuses. I don't think there are any vendor bonuses from Darren for this particular one, because obviously the course is all about creating bonuses of your own. So I hope you can see, folks, a set of very congruent bonuses there. So let's have a quick look at the sales page. As I said, there's no actual sales video here. There's Darren. What's so unique with Projects Done For You? Enables you to list build, to grow your leads. Unique social platforms access for evergreen setups. There's a gold and a silver option. 2 minutes to set up if you go for the gold method. Works with any niche. Make money while you sleep, and 24/7 support is included. As I said, have a look through the rest of the sales page. It's not a long or hypey sales page, and as I said, the price is just $9 for the front end. Okay, so let's have a look inside the members area. So you watch this entry video here, and then you've got the choice of following either through the gold pattern or the silver pattern. As I said, the entry, the welcome video is the same for either, so watch it. It will help you to decide. If you decide that you're going to go for the gold option, then you need to sign up to a program called Builderall. All the instructions are included in there. It tells you exactly how to set everything up. This will fast track things for you, and you can have, your bonuses, your lead magnets, all made in a very, very short period of time. Slightly longer if you're going to go for the silver option, but nonetheless, we're going to show you exactly how to set everything up here. Lots of individual training. The silver method again.
Okay guys, so if you've just gone for the silver option, we're just going to run through what the silver option is all.
So as I said, step-by-step video instruction for absolutely everything, and it will show you exactly how to set everything up in the menu as well. What you'll also find, and again Darren says this in the welcome video, is that you should still do the training on the gold method even if you're not actually going to go down the method of paying for Builderall, because a lot of the tutorials in here are actually very useful for the silver method as well. So again, Darren's advising you, and I agree with him, that you should watch all of these videos even if you're not actually following through with the gold option, because you will find that a lot of the information in the tutorials you can apply into the silver method as well. And as I said, everything is really clearly explained.
Okay, so basically, if you are now looking at the silver option,
so very easy to follow videos, folks. $9 only the front end. As I said, there's 22 plus methods that are included in this front end training. The first upsell is Limitless monthly membership. So Limitless is a recurring membership of $19, although there you can also use a discount coupon, which I've got on the screen here, which will give you a 40% discount. So copy this number down. Obviously you'll have to write it down, and then that will give you a 40% discount. It will give you everything that Darren, everything that you need to know from Darren about affiliate marketing, including after your third monthly payment, access to existing products and future products that Darren has created. Upsell number 2 is Elite List Club, done for you with funnel, $27. It's a mailer set up for you. All you have to do is to join is to join certain mailers and landing pages for free, and then send Darren your URLs, and he will build the rest for you. It's a complete done for you setup. Again, watch the sales page for full details. Upsell number 3 is Projects Done For You reseller rights, $39. You can sell this product as if it was your own and keep 100% of the commissions. Upsell number 4 is Done For You monthly campaigns, $57. You'll be sent Done For You campaigns that you can use to promote. And upsell number 5 is $197. This is access to Limitless yearly. It's access to this closed group and 1 year access. And then upsell number 6 is upsell unlimited, which is lifetime access, and there's just 5 places available for that, and that is $797. So have a look at that funnel. It's a good funnel, folks. Pick out anything that you think will help you and your business there. If you want to pick this up and get all of these bonuses, all you have to do is click any of these green buttons here, and then that will take you through to the sales page, where you click on the buy now button for just $9, and then that will bring you back into your receipt area at Warrior Plus, where you click on the green button to access your copy of Projects Done For You, there I am there, and click on the blue button to access your bonuses from me. So a very good course this. I'm going to give it 5 stars out of 5 on the Elite Tigers Group rating. All that remains is for me to thank you for watching and listening to this review as usual. If you've liked it, do please click on the subscribe button, and also click on the bell icon so that you get informed every time I bring out any new recordings. Until then, this has been Dawud Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of Projects Done For You.